Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the May 2022 Flavors of the Month kit. So this is our premier kit. It includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. If you're looking for something smaller, then check out our double shot kit, and there will be a link at the end of this video that you can click on to watch what all is included in this month's kit for it. Along with your kit, you're also going to have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts designed by our design team, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and then a color photograph of the finished layout so you can see what it's all going to look like and create right along with them. You also receive a sample of free gourmet coffee each and every month with your kit. And you also receive a free cut file download. So this month is this awesome summer holiday cut file. You have the clouds with an airplane and then the title with the little sunshine. It's perfect for all of your summer scrapbooking projects, and we are full of summer in this month's kit. This month our 4 collections are Away We Go from Echo Park, Fancy Pants Simply Summer, Photo Play Papers Oh What a Beautiful Day, and Simple Stories Summer Lovin'. There is so much goodness in this month's kit. I can't wait to dig in and show it all to you, and I know you're anxious to start creating. So let's dig in. So the first collection we're going to look at is from Echo Park called Away We Go. So this is a travel themed, perfect for any time of the year, but it definitely has a summer vibe to it with its sunshine and umbrellas. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Velvet Night cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one. I love globes, and this is just gorgeous. I love the little heart from the airplane on that dark navy blue. The back is an arrow print. That paper is called Globes. Then we have this aqua with the clouds, perfect to go with your free cut file. The back is a 2-toned yellow with little daisies. That paper is called Friendly Skies. Then we have hot air balloons with their clouds. The back is a striped in that pinky red. Look at all those gorgeous colors. You're also going to get a lot of different kinds of embellishments. So from the sticker book, you're going to get 1 sheet of stickers. Of course, these will vary among the kits. You're also going to get 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So I have some banners and some tags and larger pieces, and then some enamel dots. So I got the pinky red ones. So again, all of those embellishments will vary among the kit, but that's a good sample of what you'll receive. So that is Away We Go from Echo Park. Our next collection is Simply Summer from Fancy Pants. So the coloring and designs of this one kind of gives me a little bit of a retro feel. They're a little bit more muted colors, just gorgeous, and lots of fun embellishments. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. This paper here called Sweet Memories. And the back has all of this great advertisement. Again, it has that retro feel of what you used to see if you went to a hamburger joint or something like that, little ice cream place. This paper called Summer Celebration, which is in the red and blue. So this kind of gives me a feel of 4th of July. So this would be perfect to kind of document some of those moments. The back is a star print in that kind of pinkish red. And then we have this paper called On the Porch with the florals. Again, on the red. The back is this great wood grain, kind of like a pine wood. For your embellishments, you're going to get 1/3 a pack of the ephemera, and you're going to get a row of enamel dots. So these will all vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. So I have a little hammock, a s'more, a little lightning bug jar, the pool and the camper and the cooler. Lots of different ideas for what you can document for the summer. So that is Simply Summer from Fancy Pants. This collection is Oh What a Beautiful Day from Photoplay paper, and it is a beautiful collection. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called Be Happy, which is all of the kites and the different prints. The back is this pink striped. Then we have a diagonal stripe with some buttonhole stitching on there. This is called Delightful. The back is a white polka dot on navy. Then we have a 2-toned green little flower print. This one's called Always Blooming. I love those colors together. The back is this gorgeous floral in all of the different colors on the dark navy blue. That's just going to make a really striking layout there. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have Oh What a Beautiful Day for a title, Hello Sunshine. This is another one that's perfect for your free cut file this month to create a title with it. I love the little icons here, the flower boxes, the little snails and the seeds, so many cute things. Your border on this sheet is grass, so that's going to be a lot of fun. You can create a little scene with all of these different images. So that is Oh What a Beautiful Day from Photoplay paper. Our final collection is Summer Lovin' from Simple Stories. This is another one that has a few icons that's kind of got that retro feel to it, some bright, fun colors. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called Hey Sunshine, which is a red grid, and then the florals down at the bottom for the border. Super cute. The back are little bouquets of flowers on the white. That paper is called Hey Sunshine. This paper is Sweet Summertime. Again, those beautiful florals, this time on the blue-green. The back is a polka dot and orange and a golden and a little bit of red. Then we have the 3x4 cut-aparts. Summer Vibes, Squeeze the Day, Good Sunshine, Good Times, and Tan Lines. Counting Stars and Fireflies. And the back is a striped, that's just a messy kind of brush stripe. So again, so many fun, beautiful colors that are going to be really exciting to work with. For your embellishments, these will vary among the kits, but you're going to get one of the chipboard frames. You're going to get some of the foam thickers. So I got the title Summer Vibes, a little bumblebee, and a flower. And then a 1/6 pack of the ephemera pieces. So I got a little hot dog and watermelon, a roller skate. So you can see this and the roller skate and stuff. Those are things that really, to me, scream retro. We have the little VW camper and a road map, says road tripping. So again, all of those will vary among the kits, but that'll give you an idea of what you'll be receiving. So that is Simple Stories, Simple Lovin'. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons that we have available, the cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment, so that you can have this kit go even further. Also check out our Shots of Life kit because it coordinates with our Flavors of the Month, so it can give you more pattern paper and more embellishments as well. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.